Think losing weight quickly with GLP-1 agonists is the dream. Think again. GLP-1 agonists can help you shed pounds fast, but rapid weight loss comes with risks. First off, you might miss out on essential nutrients, leading to fatigue, hair loss, and brittle nails. Then there's gallstones. Ouch. Rapid fat loss means more cholesterol, which can clog up your gallbladder. And don't forget muscle mass. Losing weight too quick can mean losing muscle, making it tougher to keep the weight off later. Electrolyte imbalances are another concern, causing irregular heartbeats and muscle cramps. Dehydration is a biggie too. Less carbs can mean less water retention, leading to dizziness and headaches. Psychologically, rapid loss can mess with your relationship with food, possibly leading to eating disorders. And let's not ignore loose skin, no fun there. Your metabolism can also slow down, making future weight loss harder. Plus, quick drops in weight can weaken bones, increasing fracture risks. So while GLP-1 agonists can be effective, slow and steady wins the race. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any weight loss plan. Stay healthy, stay informed.